Hey there, good looking.
Oh, hey.
I like your ride.
Yeah, yours too. Pretty sweet paint job you got there.
Oh, thanks. I like those rims. Pretty slick if you ask me.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. All-wheel drive with power steering, baby.
Oh, so you're feeling a little macho now.
Just stating the facts, girl.
Well, if you're just stating facts, I get 32 miles per gallon, Subaru eyesight, and adaptive headlight control.
Well, I'm a 2017 IIHS top safety pick.
Ooh, I love it when you talk Carfax to me.
Oh, yeah. Shh, shh, shh. My owner's coming. Oh my God, that movie was awesome.
It was. We should definitely do it again sometime.
I'll call you. Nice.
I guess I'll be seeing you later, stud.
You sure will.